Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you what to do if your wireless charging does not work on the MagSafe charger. The first and the most important thing you have to do is that you have to verify if the charger you have bought is compatible with the QI2 and 25 watts maximum. The maximum wattage is not that important, but the QI2 compatibility is important, because if it's not QI2 compatible, it won't charge your device. If it is, we can move to the next step. So that is, if you do have the case, remove it, or verify the thickness. If you don't have any magnets in your device, like in your case, you have to just take off the case and place the phone itself on your charger. If the phone itself charges, that's nice, but if the phone itself does not charge and does not recognize the charger, you need to contact device support because it may be just broken. But if you do see animation, but without this circle moving, and the device is not charging, it's that you have the coils broken and you have to contact device support again because your device is broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.